An e-file is an electronic version of the paper-based filing process. It is a process of submitting the tax return or tax documents to the government electronically. This is an important process that needs to be performed by all small businesses, especially when they want to seek tax deferrals or deductions. This can save them up to 80% of their time, making the process of accounting much easier. Here's how it works. What is an e-file for accounting? An electronic file is an electronic version of a document that is submitted to the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, for electronic processing. E-files can be submitted using software or through a tax professional. The term e-file means that documents can now be sent and received electronically, without the need for printing and mailing documents. E-filing has become a good option for many accounting departments, as they like to save time and money by not printing and mailing documents. However, e-filing is not a perfect solution, as there are some issues that can occur with e-filing. What are the pros and cons of an e-file for accounting? There are many advantages to e-file. For one, the process is quick and efficient. Taxpayers can submit their returns electronically and receive their refunds in a matter of days, as opposed to the weeks it can take for a paper return to be processed. Additionally, taxpayers can often receive their refunds sooner when they e-file. An e-file for accounting is a great way to keep your records organized and up to date. By using an e-file, you can avoid the hassle and time of paperwork, and you can be sure that all of your accounting information is stored in one place. E-files can also be password protected, so you can be sure that your information is safe and confidential. However, there are a few drawbacks to using an e-file for accounting. First, you may need to purchase or download special software in order to use an e-file. Second, you need to be sure that you have a reliable internet connection in order to access and use your e-file. Finally, you need to be sure that you are comfortable using computers and technology to manage your finances. How do you create an e-file? There are a few ways that you can create an e-file. You can create a PDF file and send it to an e-file provider, such as TaxAct or HanarBlock. You can also use a software program, such as TurboTax, to create your return and file it. If you choose to use a software program, you will need to provide your provider with your login information in order to submit your return. The future of e-file. The future of e-files looks bright, as more and more people become comfortable with the process. Most tax professionals believe that the future of e-file is inevitable, and that over time, paper returns will eventually go the way of the dodo. E-files are more secure than paper filings. Taxpayers' personal information is encrypted when they e-file, making it less likely that their information will be compromised. And if taxpayers do experience a problem with their return, they can usually get help more quickly through the e-file system than they can through the IRS phone system. The use of e-files is growing every year. In 2017, nearly 80% of all individual tax returns were filed electronically. This number is likely to continue to grow in the years ahead, as people become more and more comfortable with the process. So what does the future of e-file look like? It looks like a process that is growing in popularity, and that is more secure and efficient than paper filings. Taxpayers can expect to see more and more benefits from e-file in the years to come. Key takeaways. The e-file is a simple and secure way to submit your tax returns to the IRS. E-filing is safe and quick, with the ability to receive your tax refund in as little as 8 days. E-filing also helps you avoid mistakes and lengthy delays that could be caused by mailing in a paper return.